Become a winner in the stock market with these tips. It can seem intimidating to invest into the stock market because of the potential loss of your money. The more you know about investing, the less likely you will be to lose your money. This video provides a great deal of advice which can help you to ensure your losses don't exceed your returns. Investing in the stock market does not require a degree in business or finance, outstanding intelligence, or even familiarity with investments. Being patient and sticking to a plan, making sure to remain flexible and conducting research, will serve you well when playing the stock market. Going against the grain often pays off. Don't let greed or impatience control your decisions when it comes to investing in the stock market. Buying low and selling high is a common tip because it makes sense to buy a stock when there's a higher chance that it will rise in price, even if you have to wait for a while. When the stock market takes a dip, do not distress. Instead, look at the fall as an opportunity to purchase stocks at bargain prices. Many smart investors have made fortunes this way, because the market will inevitably rise again. Being able to see past the doom and gloom can be very profitable. One of the finest things you can do to stay ahead of the curve is talk with a stock expert. Stockbrokers or friends who succeed with stocks are good people to speak with, as they often know which companies are the best to invest in. Learn from the experts to become one yourself. As you can see, the stock market isn't a dangerous investment if you know what you're doing. The tips you read in this video should help you figure out the difference between a wise investment and a risky one. Invest your money wisely, using these tips, and watch it grow. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthélemy MC.